Hi everyone, in the next 4 to 5 minutes, you will know which jobs AI is likely to replace and which job AI is creating. Most importantly, what you can do right now to make yourself indispensable in an AI-powered world. According to World Economic Forum, AI will displace 85 million jobs globally, but it will also create 97 million new ones. The question is, which side of that change will you be on? 1. We will look at the jobs most at risk. 2. The jobs AI is creating right now. 3. The key skills that makes you AI proof. Tell me one thing. Do you personally feel worried about AI affecting your career? Type in the comments yes, a little, or no. Next, we will look at the jobs most at risk. Number 1, data entry jobs and the basic admin type work are at risk because AI processes data, fill forms, scan invoices, manage spreadsheet much faster than human with no errors. 2, basic customer services role are at risk. AI chatbot handles 80% of routine queries without human involvement. 3, routine writing and reporting tasks such as note-taking, preparing financial summaries, basic financial and non-financial reporting tasks are at risk. 4, bookkeeping. AI reconcile accounts, flag anomalies, generate reports much faster than human. A Goldman Sachs report estimated about 300 million full-time jobs globally are exposed to AI automation. Next, we will look at jobs AI is creating. Have you heard the term prompt engineering before? Yes or no? If yes, tell us what you think it means. New jobs AI is generally creating are number 1, AI prompt engineers. That involves design and optimize instruction for AI system. 2, AI trainers and data annotators. Demand is growing about 40% annually. It involves labeling data and AI output. 3, AI policy specialists. It means to ensure fairness, accountability, and legal compliance. Do you know which of your skills AI cannot replicate? Tell us in the comments below. This might be the most important question you answered today. The skills AI cannot replicate are critical thinking skills. It is about being skeptical, questioning assumptions, and supporting logical flaws. Emotional intelligence, such as showing empathy, persuasion, conflict resolution, management, and leadership skills. Complex communication, such as negotiation, oral presentation, teaching, coaching with real stakes. Creativity and originality. AI remixes existing content. True original thinking remained with human. AI literacy, understanding what AI can and cannot do, is a core professional skills. A quick question for you. What is the one skills you are going to develop in the next 30 days? Drop it in the comments. Make it public, makes it real. Next, we will look at 3 steps how to future-proof your career. Step 1, audit your role. Write down everything you do. Highlight repetitive activities, pattern-based tasks are at risk. Step 2, learn to use AI tools effectively. Step 3, become AI human bridge. It means to become the most valuable professionals, understand both people and AI. I have a short activity for you. Go to the comments right now and type AI will create or replace my job because. Write down the reasons and complete the whole sentence. There are no wrong answers, guys, but your reasoning reveals how prepared you are for what is coming. The biggest takeaway is AI is not your competition. AI is a tool. The competition is between people who know how to use it. I mentioned some free resources in the description below. Subscribe for the next video. Remember, learn it today, build it today, lead on it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.